Here we've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to use all the secret codes on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let's go to Keypad. Now we will start with the first code, which is *##, *##759, #**. And as you can see now, we are in the back menu, where you can come along with brand code, unique device ID, activation event sent, next alarm, current backoff, and many other very useful details. Then you can also check pings, events, client IDs, and also you can change the OEM mode right here. You can turn it on or off. So let me go back to the keypad and let's open the second code. It's *##, *426, ***. And as you can see now, we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can come along with events and also with status. And if you would like to come along with some advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view. And as you can see here, you can come along with some further details. So let me go back. And another code that we would use is *##, *##, 225, ***. And as you can see here, you have the calendar info. So if you have any events in your device's calendar, or maybe in a Google Calendar that is connected with your DOOGEE S50, then you will be able to come along with all the events, all celebrations, important dates, anniversaries right here. You will not have to scroll all the calendar. Everything will be stored in one place right here. So let me go back. And another code, also truly useful, is *##, 4636, ***. And here we are in testing mode, and now you can come along with phone info, battery details, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with phone information. And here you can come along with email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. You can also run a ping test here. All you have to do to perform it is just to click on run ping test, and below you've got the answer. And this is it. Here you can come along with some further details. So let me go back. Then under battery information, you can read the current battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. Then you've got user statistics right here, and you can smoothly come along with the details regarding your application. So for example, if you would like to check the usage time, here you've got the usage time and it's included right here. And finally, Wi-Fi info, smoothly click on it to open, and you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So under Wi-Fi APA, you can come along with disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and also the whole connection info. So let's go back. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you can come along with all configured networks. And then Wi-Fi status, just click on refresh status. And here you can check the current status of your network. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test. Smoothly click on run ping test, and it has been performed. Here you've got the answer. So this is it. Let me go back. And the last code, actually the shortest, but I think you will use it most frequently. It's *##, 06#, and this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your DOOGEE S50. And this is it. Click on OK to go back. And these are all secret codes that you can use in DOOGEE S50. Enjoy and use them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.